Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have, this is the nice system of equations. If we have x plus y equals to 3 and xy is also equals to 3, and we solve this problem for all the values of x and y. So for the values of x and y, we need to solve both of these two simultaneous equations. And now here first we call this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So here first we need to focus on equation number 1, and equation number 1 is implies that, so in equation number 1 we move this x to the right hand side and it will be written as y is equals to, this is positive 3, and when we move x to the right hand side it will becomes negative x, and here we call this is our equation number 3. Now in the next step we need to substitute this value of y into the equation number 2. So our equation number 2 is implies that this is xy equals to 3. The value of y is 3 minus x is equals to 3. And further in the next step here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as in this form. So we multiply x on both of these two values and it will becomes here 3x minus x square is equals to 3. And now here further we move both of these two terms from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will becomes here this minus x square becomes plus x square, this plus 3x becomes minus 3x, and this is plus 3, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step you see that this equation will becomes in quadratic equation in an x variable, so that here we use the quadratic formula to solve this equation, and for this we need to write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 3, and c equals to plus 3. And we state the quadratic formula as x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So here we substitute all the values of a, b and c in this formula. So after substituting the values it will becomes minus times of minus 3 plus minus square root of b square. So b is minus 3 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 3, and it is divided by 2 times of a. And in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as x is equals to, this is minus times minus becomes plus 3, and plus minus square root of minus 3 square becomes 9, and 4 times 3 becomes 12, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 equals to 2. And here we need more simplifications, and it will becomes here 3 plus minus square root of 9 minus 12 becomes minus 3, and it is divided by 2. And in the next step we have you see that the negative sign appears inside the square root, so it will becomes here iota, and we get the values of x is equals to 3 plus minus square root of 3 iota, and it is divided by 2. So here we get these are the two values of x. So for these values of x we need to find the corresponding values of y. So in this side we take our value of x is equals to 3 plus square root of 3 iota divided by 2, and here we take x equals to 3 minus square root of 3 iota divided by 2. And here we need equation number 3, so that our equation number 3 is implies that y equals to 3 minus x. So here in this side we substitute this value of x, and it will becomes here 3 minus 3 plus square root of 3 iota divided by 2, and here we need to take the LCM of this term, and its LCM becomes 2, and we get here 2 times 3 becomes 6, minus this 2 and 2 are gone, and we get here minus 3 minus square root of 3 iota. So we get our y is equals to 6 minus 3 becomes 3 minus square root of 3 iota, and it is divided by 2. So this is the value of y corresponding to the value of x is equals to this one. And now here in the same pattern we verify we find the value of y from this value of x. So when you put this value here it will becomes y equals to 3 minus x. So here you see that we just find this value we need to put this value of x here, and it will becomes 3 minus square root of 3 iota divided by 2. And when we take the LCM of this term, so it will becomes here 2, and we obtain 2 times 3 becomes 6, minus this 2 and 2 are gone, and we multiply negative sign here, and it will becomes this is minus 3 and plus square root of 3 iota. So finally we get the value of x is equals to 6 minus 3 becomes 3 plus square root of 3 iota, and it is divided by 2. So this is the value of y corresponding to the value of x is equals to this one. So finally we have there are two solutions of the given equation, and these solutions are so we have this is 3 plus square root of 3 iota divided by 2, and the value of y is 3 minus square root of 3 iota divided by 2. And the second solution is 3 minus square root of 3 iota divided by 2, and 3 plus square root of 3 iota divided by 2. So these are the two final solutions of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.